Well, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing again for scope turret markings. Before I was trying to space out my turret markings and cut them in strips to go around the circumference of the scope. But I decided to go a different route, and since there's a limited amount of space on most turrets as far as height goes, I learned how to eliminate the spacing between the lines, as you can see with this one. And I'm right now applying the cutout spacing, and I'm using this little table vise. And actually I bought it so when hopefully I get a power plenum, I can use it to help hold the gun up and do other stuff. But it seems to be handy for a lot of things. But I've cut out the markings, and you can see each level represents a different turn on the turret. So I'm applying them right now with a pair of tweezers. But anyway, of course what I've done again is cut a piece of double stick tape to put on here, and I'm leaving the mill markings exposed so I can see how far I've turned exactly on the turret. So anyway, just rotate this into position. The markings are going every 5. The markings are going every 5 clicks, or a half a mil, and I just put them on like that, and rotate this around. This makes it much easier than before. I was trying to do it just holding it on the cutting board, and apply the next one, and I'll show you once it's all done. Okay, I'm just showing here, I'm measuring the tape for the width to cover with the final layer of tape to cover up the yardage marks. And I'm using a razor blade. And that's that. Okay, I'm going to put the tape on top to protect it and keep the numbers on. I'm not covering the actual marks on the turret because I want them to stand out good. But just laying that on top, and I'll take it out and turn it around, and that'll be complete. Okay, I got the tape on. I'm just rubbing out all the air bubbles just to make it stick and make the numbers clearer. Okay, this is SWFA scope 16X fixed, and what I like about them, they're real rugged, and as far as the turret goes, it's extra high. And plus, depending on the model, you get anywhere from 30 to 40 mils of a elevation. But anyway, right there, my Z44 means the zero's at 44. You do a full turn, and whoop, full turn's 125, or actually a full turn is 133. But we go round and round, and furthest with 3 turns is 252 yards, which Don't plan to do much shooting there, but you know, we all like to try to extend our distances on how much we shoot and sort of go for new records. But anyway, and like I said, I have the regular turret markings. Camera's not focusing good, but regular turret markings to go by too. Okay, got it installed now. And got all my levels marked there. Let's get a little closer. Okay, let's see there, I got my 0 at 44, 5 clicks up, 58 yards, another 5 clicks up, 67, and so forth. And like I said, I can go all the way out to 250. Plus I can still just count and use my original turret markings there for there's 1 mil, 1.5 and stuff. So I got the precision there in case weather changes and these numbers are going to be off because it's colder or warmer or whatever. But there you go.